here's the proper way to put your Suzuki motorcycle in the dealer mode to check for any fault codes. Now in the back by the battery, you'll see there is this plug here. It's covered by a rubber gasket on top of it. So you want to pull that off and expose this terminal. Now, kind of tough to show here. Now you'll see on this connection here, there's 4 terminals, or there can be 6 on some Suzukis, but only 2, this one here in the top right, and this one here in the bottom left, have any sort of metal connectors inside of them. So I'm just gonna take a paper clip here as a jumper, and I'm gonna stick it inside those 2 terminals to make that circuit complete. And this will tell the bike, when I turn it on, to start up in dealer mode, so it'll show me any fault codes that the computer may be showing. All right, so now I'm inserted right there. All right, with my jumper in now, I'll go up here and I'll put my key over 1 notch. Now I'll turn my ignition on to the on position. And now where the time usually displays here, now it'll show codes. So right now the code it's showing is C00, which means there are no issues with the bike. If it shows an F and then 2 numbers, those are the fault codes associated with the bike, and it kind of gives you an indication what might be going wrong with it. I'll list the fault codes in the description below here for reference. That's it. If there's any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If not, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.